Hello friends, going on vacation? Don't forget this cute DIY. Let's make paper soap with just ₹1. You just need two things, a ₹1 shampoo pouch and a plain white sheet. That's it. First, squeeze the shampoo into a bowl and add just a tiny bit of water. Mix it well until it's smooth enough to paint with a brush. Now gently brush it over the paper. Let it dry. You can even use a hairdryer if you're in a hurry. Flip the paper and paint the other side too. Once it's completely dry, cut it into little rectangles. Your mini paper soaps. I'm stapling mine together and adding a cute yellow cover with a happy face. If you loved this idea, like, share and subscribe for more fun and smart hacks. Now it's not just useful, but adorable too. Let's test it. Take one sheet, add a little water, and look at all that foam. Clean hands, no mess, and no plastic. Isn't it the cutest travel DIY ever? Make yours before your next trip. See you soon.